Hello and welcome to another Budget Model Railways video on another one of our little 3D model releases. So this is something we've been toying with for a long while, a little engineer's vehicle, obviously a modern outline one, following on the success of our little 009 one really. So what we've been able to do, this fits the standard Hornby 040 chassis, albeit the other way around for a change. What I realised is obviously these vehicles don't need to be high off the ground because they're stepping off onto the track, not platforms. And so we got a book, had a look at some ideas. And it means that by putting a little bit of underframe, we can hide the actual running gear from the wheels. Now, it's a really useful vehicle. You've got a load bed in the back for your ballast or bits of sleeper or whatever you want to carry. And there's some lockers for tools. Nice big personnel cabin, which is actually what a lot of these track maintenance vehicles were used for. Plenty of room in there, sliding doors. Big windows at the front. And I've found that with a bit of careful measuring, you can get flush-fitted windows in those, which looks rather nice. And we have lights on the top, front and rear, because obviously a lot of this work takes place at night. So, painted up, I think it looks really effective. It's an unusual vehicle. I don't know of anybody else, even the big manufacturers that make such a vehicle, and certainly not at this price. Together with the price of the chassis, this is a really cheap way of having an unusual vehicle on your layout. And it's just a bit of fun, isn't it? Running up and down your modern layout, looking after your track. I could be as bold as to say I should think if you've got a modern layout, everybody should have one. But anyway, we hope you enjoy it. It's something we've had fun making and we think looks good on our layout. So just a little update to let you know we're still thinking of new models. Hi, thanks for watching the video and for the nice comments. Click on the left for a previous video in this series, click on the right for another video you might enjoy, and please don't forget to click to subscribe, like, comment, etc. Thanks again.